welcome to your learning today. Today we're going to look at making three-digit numbers again, but today we're going to partition the number in lots of different ways. First, I've got the number 363 and I've made it out of my base 10. I've got 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 3 ones. Now if I were to partition this number in the normal way, I would just split it up into its hundreds, its tens and its ones. So 300 add 60 add 3 equals 363. Next, what I would do is there's different ways that you can do this. You can move the hundreds or you can move the tens. I tend to move the tens as I think this is the easier way. So I'm going to move one of my tens and put it with the 3 ones. So this time, instead of 300 add 60 add 3, I have got 300 add 50 add 13 equals 363. That is because I have moved one of the tens from the 60 over to the ones. I could partition the number again by moving another 10 over here. And this time, to make 363, I have got 300 add 40 add 23 equals 363. That's because over here I've got 2 tens and 3 ones, making the number 23. If I wanted to, I could move the hundreds instead. And I could move this 100 and put it with the tens. So I can see that I've got 200 add 160 because I've got 106 tens, add 3 ones, and that equals 363. Pause the video and speak to your adult about what I did with the base 10. Next, I've got the number 240. As you can see, I've got 200s and 4 tens. When we partition in yellow class, I like you to use 3 numbers to partition. Now, pause the video and talk to your adult. What might be difficult about partitioning this number using 3 numbers? So now you've had time to talk. The difficult thing is that there's 0 ones in this number. So if you were to partition it the normal way, you would get 200 add 40 add 0 equals 240. Now, whilst that's not technically incorrect, there's no point adding 0 to a number. So straight away, I would look at partitioning the tens into 3 tens and 1 ten. So I would have 200 add 30 add 10 equals 240. Then I'd move another 10 and I would partition it by having 200 add 20 add 20 equals 240. Now if you wanted to, you could have started by moving the hundreds. And you could have split the 100 into 100 and 100. And that partitioned would be 100 add 100 add 40 equals 240. Now, as you can see, there are lots of different ways to partition a number. You just need to try and find 5 different ways for each of the numbers that I give you on your home learning sheet. I hope this video has helped you to remember how to partition 3-digit numbers. Remember, you've got the base 10 at home, so you can make the number and move it around to help with your partitioning. Try and partition the numbers that I give you in 5 different ways. Good luck! See you soon.